Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can edit the content in your Elementor WordPress website. So guys, here you can see, for example, if I want to change the content, how I can do that. First of all, we can log in into our website. And here you can add your own details. After that, now if I want to edit this page, just I can go to pages, and after that scroll down, then click here edit with Elementor. So now here you can see Elementor page builder is loading. So now if I want to change this text, just click here, and after that we can add our own text. So guys, here you can see text is changing accordingly. In this way you can easily change the text according to your requirement. Then after that you can click here update.